Welcome to MHS One of the Weather. I'm student meteorologist Sarah Simpson, and good Wednesday morning. It is Wednesday the 16th, looking out over a snowy Fenway Park this morning. Current temperature in Millis, 30. Dew point is at 29, and the barometer is at 30.09 inches. It is falling ever so slightly. We have 3.5 inches outside our studio in Millis. I just took the measurement a few minutes ago, and it is 3.5 inches. Taking a look at the current temperatures across the nation. Boston, we are at 30. D.C. is at 37, and Miami is at 66. The coolest spot for this morning is Salt Lake City, Utah, at 19 degrees. Chicago is also at 19 as well. Taking a look at the current temperatures closer to Boston, right around 40 out towards the Cape of the Islands. That's limiting them to rain right now, that temperature of 40. Working way back towards Boston, we are in the upper 30s. And lower 30s out towards Western Mass and the Berkshires. Northern mountains of Vermont, you guys are in the mid-20s for this morning. Taking a look at the current winds, you'll notice these winds associated with that low pressure system that's creating those winds to go from the northeast, and they will be rather from the for our area, they're coming out of the northeast right now. And taking a look at the current surface analysis across the nation, you'll notice that low pressure system that's going to be making its way on out of our area by 12 o'clock today, so the snow will be winding down by 12 o'clock this afternoon. Other than that, really not a lot going on. Very, very quiet across the nation other than this disturbance in the northeast. Taking a look at the current surface analysis closer in our area, you'll notice that rain snow line right now, right around the Cape Cod Canal. It'll be pushing its way on westward as we go towards the day, although I really think that'll wrap up the snow will wrap up by the time that mix gets here. And that snow will be wrapping its way up, will be wrapping up by around 12 o'clock this afternoon. And for your Wednesday afternoon, as I said, that snow ends by 12 o'clock, and the evening commute is a lot easier than this morning's commute. Taking a look at the MHS 103 7-day forecast. For Wednesday, we have a current high temperature of 36 degrees with some snow. For Thursday, we're looking at a high temperature of 35 under mostly sunny skies. And for Friday, high of 20 under mostly sunny skies as well. Now it's going to be fairly cold the rest of this week, with the exception of Sunday, which will be Saturday, which will be right around 40 under mostly sunny skies. For Sunday, we have a cold front coming through, so there will be a high temperature of 36, but that's a little deceptive because for most of the day the temperatures will be in the lower 20s. So for the Patriots game, expect the temperatures to be in the 20s with a brisk wind, which will make it feel a lot colder than that. So if you're going to the Patriots game, bundle up. And then Monday gets really cold. We're looking at a high temperature of right around 15 degrees with a mix of sun and clouds. And then Tuesday, I'm watching a storm, but I'm not really too confident at this point. And thanks for joining us. I'm student meteorologist Sarah Simpson. Remember, you can always find the latest weather information by going to my Facebook page, Sarah Simpson-MHS 103 Weather.